Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at like adding no rehab because you know I'm addicted to giving guys advice. So I bought this 2014 Hyundai Elantra. It does have some body damage. You know, that's how we like them, but it has a clean title, so that's why I buy it. You know, and I got a 15 Nissan Sentra. It's got body damage, but it has a clean title, so that's what I like. I like the car that had a body damage, but it also has a clean title. So you know, the damage ain't been claimed on it. So so once I fix it, I can. Huh? I already know. I drove it earlier. Just two, just the Elantra and then that 15 Nissan. About to, take them right to the body, man. Get them already ready.
Get them done that quick?
It's probably not the Nissan right now. Probably get her car done. Get her car done and out the way. So
Man, why they stop filming? Letting people film?
I don't know.
I see they got a deal in there, so you can't film no more.
Yeah, you can't film no more. So I don't know. Maybe one of these dealers got mad about them getting recorded the price of which I don't know why. It ain't like somebody gonna watch a video and be like, I seen you buy that car
at that place.
At that place for that much. Ain't nobody gonna see. So I don't know. It's their rules. It's their business. Their rules. So I ain't.
Right.
I'll just record when I'm picking up my car. You can't record.
Yeah.
It's their rules. So They don't want you. They don't want you recording. They don't want you recording. So nothing I can do about it. But I can record picking up my car. But we have to take this one right to Wilson and get this thing taken care of. Yeah, I bought this for my girl. Gonna fix it for her. Upgrade her in cars. Why they park this piece of junk? I could park this junk anywhere. I got a little crack in the bumper. Maybe Wilson can take care of that. Yeah. Hopefully this won't. I just need you out of my way. So I'm gonna get this car. I'm gonna go drive it over here to Wilson. Then we'll do a full walk around. I already drove it earlier, so it drives good. I got some little stuff that I have to fix. But yes, because my girl has 08. Has an 08 accent right now. So she's gonna go from an 08 accent to a 14 Elantra. Then I'll sell her car. So I feel like I pay $1,800 for this 14 Elantra. So it depends on how much body work is. It's dirty, so gotta get the detail. Gotta get the detail put on it, get some detail, and then I'll put some mats in there. I also gotta get a new knob because this knob doesn't work, so it's not, because it's supposed to have like a little thing. It's supposed to have like a longer thing in there to turn it, so that doesn't even do anything. We'll do a full body, but it does have the heated seats, the aux, and the thing for the iPod, USB, Bluetooth, cruise control. That's the backup camera. No service lights.
Built to follow your path. The Toyota Tundra. Build yours today. Visit your local Toyota dealer or toyota.com for your ready for anything.
No service lights. Just a tire pressure light and gas light. Make sure nobody ain't coming through here crazy.
Let's go places. See packages.
But like I said, I already drove. We'll do a full walk around when we get to Wilson's. We get up out of here. Get up out of here.
Slices of old world pepperoni. They got that rich smoky flavor and crisp.
Yeah, let me turn that radio on. Off. I don't know. Yeah, we do a full walk around. So I'll see y'all when we get to Wilson. Give you that walk around. Around the job. I didn't know the hood. The hood's a little more rougher than I thought. Okay, I guess it's probably a fog light or something. Yeah, it's gotta go to a fog light. Yeah, that fog light. Got good rubber on it. Like I said, it's got damage right there on the hood. Get a new bumper and paint it. Take those grills out and look good. Yeah, be okay. I don't see any other. Get the windows tinted for and stuff like that. Little crack in the back bumper. Maybe he can. While he got some extra paint, he can fill that up for me. And like I said, Wilson's only going to be doing this for the next 2 more months. Probably he said to the 2 more months, or probably to the end of the year. He said he's been doing it for 20. He's been doing paint body work for 25 years. He said he's just gonna retire. He said he's probably gonna just sell cars. He said he's probably still gonna do the paint body work, but just for himself. He's probably just gonna say he probably just get some cars from Copart, fix them, and just sell them as he goes. You know, like he did his BMW. Like, see, his BMW all wrecked up and stuff, but you can't even tell. You know, so he got to look and all do like dead body cars, like this BMW. You know, fix them, sell them, make all the money. But let me go holler at Wilson. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Let me know in the comment section below. Was $1,800 a good deal on this 2014 Elantra? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm out. Peace.